My name is Kim Williams for Life Through Living, and this is my junior sous chef, Jay Sophia. Say hi, Jay.
Hi.
Today we're going to be making egg burritos, and it's a simple recipe, only 5 ingredients, and it's a great uh, snack. It's a great breakfast, a great brunch item, and you can even make plenty ahead and put them in the refrigerator and take them out and use them. I would say within about 3 days. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to turn my heat on right here.
And before we
Oh,
start,
I'm sorry. Thank you. Go ahead.
you may need an adult because we are going to be using knives and heat.
Okay. And Jay, can you hand me the pan, please? We're using pan spray so we can keep the mess down in our pan here. Okay. And I'll tell you to put that here. And can you hand me the sausage, please? Thank you. Okay, we'll let that get heated a little bit. And what I would suggest to do, I'm going to grab this, and we're going to pinch this. Sometimes some people would put the whole, bulk item in here, but I'm just going to break it up so it'll cook faster. Okay. And we're going to wipe our hands here. You want to take the bowl and put it down, please? Okay, as we wait on this, we're going to go ahead and break our eggs up. Ooh. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to ask you to finish breaking these eggs and put them in here. And you want to go ahead and whisk it up for me? Yeah, you can put the eggshells back in it. Yes, the technique that Jay is using right now is you would break your egg in one small dish and put it in the bigger dish. Basically, because if you get shells in it, you'll be able to pick it out. Yep. Now whisk. Be careful not to whisk it out the bowl. Okay, once the sausage is browned, there's no pink. We don't want any cross contamination. Can I have the bowl? Okay, thank you. Hmm? Right.
Okay.
Be careful. I'm sorry. That's why you need an adult. The adult needs to tell you to get out the way. Okay. And Jay, I'm going to handle this pan. Normally, we would just put the eggs in, but apparently it's just sticking right now. You know what? I'm going to keep this heat because that way we can move it right along. Can I have the butter, please, ma'am? Okay. Now, this is an add-in. The recipe doesn't say butter, but I like my butter in my eggs. Okay.
So good.
So we are going to put a little bit of butter in here just for flavor.
Oh.
This is just an add-in. This is my thing.
What type of
Which
eggs are we making?
We're making scrambled eggs, just regular scrambled eggs. Yep, and I'm going to go ahead and pour those in right now.
Oh,
Yeah, pops. Got to be careful. Butter. Wow. Thank you. You can put it on the bottom there. You can sit it right inside the bowl. Yeah, scrambled eggs are probably one of the easiest things to do. You just keep moving it off of the bottom as they get more solid. At this point, just keep pulling it into the middle, scraping it off the bottom to get that. And then after a while, mostly all the eggs will be cooked. See how it's getting tighter.
yeah.
Continue to cook if you don't want your stuff to burn. So it's pretty.
And if you know somebody has used it, never put your hand on it.
Oh, please. Please, you can have fried hand instead of frying hamburger. Excuse me.
Yeah.
I want to take this towel here. We're gonna
put this on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
And put it in the way to put it.
That's fine.
Right here.
Yeah. This is hot. Be careful. I had to take it off the heat, and we're gonna chop it up and fluff it up a little bit. Okay, what we're gonna do is let this cool down just a bit, and we're trying to do the pepper and the salt just a couple of turns. Actually, the recipe actually calls for a half a teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of pepper, but this gives you flexibility. Could be to your taste. My husband is one of those people that puts salt on it even before he tastes it. So it could be however you want, okay? Good job. Okay. For those of you that have to watch your salt, watch your salt. Okay.
You don't want it too salty.
No, you don't want it too salty. We're going to stir it up a little bit. And we're ready for, okay, yeah, be careful. And what'd you do? Oh, the burritos. We have our burritos right here. And
You're going to start cutting.
yeah, I'm going to cut something. What I want to do is go ahead and cut spring onions. We have, okay.
Okay.
Be careful. Right here. We're going to cut the tops into little pieces because we're going to sprinkle these in each of our burrito. How about that?
Mm-hmm.
You like onions?
Yeah.
Do you?
Even in my burgers.
And even on your burger? Oh, okay. Spring onions have a very mild flavor, but they use the tops. Okay. Oh, see, I smell that. Too much. Nobody's invented smell TV yet. Oh, it's really, really good.
Everything smells good.
Yes. Can I have another onion, please? Okay, great. We'll do that. And it's really just a sprinkle for each one, but a little sprinkle makes a lot.
A flavor.
A flavor, huh? Okay, do you want to try?
Yes.
Okay, here's the rule of thumb to cut. Okay, you want to keep see this? This is called a cat's claw, okay? And you want to hold your food like this, like a cat. So you don't cut your fingers. Watch. Listen. So you don't cut your fingers. So you always have your knife rubbing against this and not cutting your fingers out here holding. Okay? So let me see your cat's claw first. You got it? Okay. Good job. Watch your fingers. I see fingers. You want finger egg burritos?
No.
Okay. Okay. Good job. We're gonna leave it like that. Okay? Okay, so we're gonna put our onions over here. Put your knife over there. Okay. Next, we have our tortillas. These are 8-inch flour tortillas. Actually, yeah, it looks like they're supposed to be actually 10-inch ones, but it looks like they threw an 8-inch one in there. And what you want to do is take, let's get your eggs back over here. We want to take 1/4 cup of egg, and you're going to put it in there. Up. Be careful. You can put your, and then put it in the middle of the burrito, of the flour tortilla. It's not a burrito yet. And we want to, that's okay. We lost some egg, but it's all good. And next, we want to take a few sprinkles of sausage. Okay. Sprinkle some cheese in it. On top, we got to keep it in the middle because we have to roll it yet. Okay. You want more cheese in that? I like mine cheesy. A few onions. Very good. And what happens is, next we take and we wrap that up like that. And you have to turn it over like this and like this. And then we're going to roll. Okay, something's going to come out, but it's okay. Stuff it back in there.
Yeah.
And then what happens? I broke it. I didn't want to break it.
Okay.
Yeah. Can I have a plate? Thank you. And we're going to have our egg burritos here. And let them rest on the bottom where the seam is. Okay? So let's try it again.
More?
1/4 cup. Remember how I told you how to measure the top? You can use the spatula, yep. Put some more in there. And if you want to, you can chop up the eggs a little bit more. Okay, there you go. No, that's okay. Not yet, not now. Pay attention to that one. What's next?
Warm still.
In the middle. Keep it all in the middle.
A cup of meat.
What else next?
This.
Mm-hmm.
I love it.
Love cheese. And then you will have onion again. Okay, so what we want to do, you want to push that down a little bit. Cover it over and you fold that in. And then make sure your stuff is going to be in. And then you want to roll it pretty tight so all your stuff doesn't come out, okay?
Yeah. It's a little. Got it.
Okay, you did pretty good. Takes practice. And then okay, let's show them how to do this. This is for when you want to take a little piece of foil, and when you want to put them in the refrigerator, you go ahead and roll it, and you make another burrito with the foil. Okay. And then what you do is just put them in the refrigerator. And then when you get up for breakfast tomorrow, just put it in the microwave. And I would say just put it on high heat for maybe 40 seconds. And it will get nice and hot for you. Another suggestion is that I would like perhaps salsa on it or ranch. I know that I have a son that would stick a straw in a bottle of ranch if he could. But anyway, so whatever topping that you think you would want to do, you can. Okay, but the burrito is like really simple to do, but you can go ahead and do it anytime. But it can be ready for you for at least 3 days. Okay. Thank you so much for spending this time with us, and we hope you practice. Make your egg burritos. You don't have to use sausage. You can use whatever kind of meat that you like, bacon, anything actually. My husband loves hamburger and eggs. It's not my favorite, but this can also be done like that. All right, you have a blessed day, and thank you for being with Life Through Living.